Hello there! Is your windshield washer not spraying washer fluid? This is how to fix it for free. Start by removing the rubber gasket on the nozzle and then press on the two clips that are holding the nozzle in place. After removing the rubber gasket, you wanna press the clips and pull the nozzle towards you simultaneously. Bear with me here guys, since I'm doing this one-handed. Next, get in the vehicle and carefully remove the cover, which will let you access the nozzle from behind. You can pull the cover with your hand or pry it with a flat-head screwdriver. Now, disassemble the pieces responsible for the spraying system and start cleaning with something thin and sharp that can enter all tight spots that could be clogged. I personally prefer to clean each and every component of the system using a pin. Make sure to reach all the spots, like this angled hose right here. After cleaning well and opening the pores, reassemble the vehicle and spray the washing fluid. This right here is a Toyota Land Cruiser, but all cars are pretty much the same. And as you can see here, this is all the gunk I've removed from the system. So if necessary, repeat the process until the washing fluid can flow easily. If this video helped you, press the like button and subscribe for more content like this.